Now in this video, we are going to differentiate polynomials into various types depending on their degree. So depending on their degree. So I have already written some examples. Let us study them. First, let us take the first example. So degree 0. As you know, power of a variable starts from whole number. That is, the minimum value can be 0. So if the highest power is 0, that is constant polynomial. So if degree is 0, then that is a constant polynomial. So that much is clear. Now if degree is 1, degree 1 means the variable present in the polynomial will have a maximum power of 1. Only then degree is 1, right? According to definition of degree. So in that case, we will call it a linear polynomial since it is power is 1, maximum power is 1. I have written an example here. You can see 6x minus half. So the maximum power is 1. Now, when degree is 2, then we call that polynomial quadratic polynomial. That is, the highest power of the variable is 2. So here I have written an example. Here you can see the power is 1 here. The power is 2 here, and this is constant. So power is 0 here. So obviously the degree is 2. So this is a biquadratic. Now you may also have example like this. Say px equal to 1/3 x minus x square. There is no constant term, only this. So it doesn't matter. Whatever is present, you study the powers of the variable. The maximum power is the degree. So it is 2. So it is still quadratic even if you don't have the third term. So that was a trinomial, this is a binomial, but that has nothing got to do with the degree. As long as the degree is 2, it is quadratic. Now if degree is 3, then it is called cubic polynomial. Here is an example. You can see here the power is 1, here the power is 0, and here the power is 3. So this is an example of a cubic polynomial. If the degree is 4, that is the highest power of the variable is 4, then it is called biquadratic. Biquadratic. And this is an example. Here you see power 2, power 4, and here you have power 0. So the highest value is 4. So degree is 4. So this is a biquadratic. So this way you can go on increasing, but till 4 you need to know. After that there is no need. So just remember that the degree of the polynomial determines its name. Okay.